Understanding Stay Woke. Dive into modern slang. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the realm of modern English slang to decode the phrase, stay woke. By the end of this video, not only will you understand the meaning and origins of this term, but you'll also be able to use it like a native speaker. The term, woke, has African American Vernacular English, AAVE, roots. Historically, woke meant being alert to social and political issues, especially related to racism and social injustice. Over time, it has evolved and has been adopted more broadly, often referring to staying informed about a range of issues. For example, if someone is aware of the complexities and nuances of climate change and its global impact, you might say they are woke to environmental issues. Now, let's break it down further. Stay. This is a verb that means to remain or continue in a certain state or position. Woke. As mentioned earlier, it signifies being alert and informed about social and political injustices. So, when combined, stay woke essentially means to continue being informed and aware of the various issues happening around you. It's a call to action to not become complacent but to always be vigilant. To truly grasp a term, it's essential to see it in action. Here are some examples. 1. With all the misinformation out there, it's crucial to stay woke and question everything. 2. She's always reading and researching. She truly knows how to stay woke. 3. If you want to make a difference, you have to stay woke and be ready to stand up for what's right. There you have it. Stay woke is a rallying cry, reminding us all to be ever vigilant and informed in our ever-changing world. Remember, language is always evolving, and slang terms like this give us a glimpse into the pulse of current society. We hope this explanation was enlightening, and now you can confidently use and understand the term. Until next time, stay woke and keep learning.